Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you want to learn how to make this cake bouquet, stay tuned. So first off, I start with the filling boxes that I have at home. I cut it out to make the shape that I want for the cake, and I cover it with a white cardboard. I always have these boxes at home because I do DIY a lot, and if you're someone that does DIY a lot, you have a lot of things that you don't use immediately in the house stock. So these are part of it, the boxes that I have in the house. So after cutting out the white cardboard, I covered the brown one to the shape of the cake size that I want to do, and that's what I'm doing here. And I also cut out a round shape to cover the styrofoam that I'm going to be using, so that the cake bouquet is going to be neat, because we're going to see the base of the round styrofoam when I finish arranging money. When I'm arranging the money, you're going to see what I'm saying. After cutting it out, I glue it down with my glue gun, and I also take the smaller one, I cut it out the same way, and I glue it down. Then guys, you need this plastic wrap. This plastic wrap makes my job easier to avoid the tape staying on your dollar bill and making it hard for you to get the tape out of your dollar bill. If you use this wrap method, this plastic wrap method, you'll find out that it is easier to remove the tape from your dollar bill. In no time, it's out. I was supposed to use something round, but I couldn't get anything, so I used my concealer. Pardon me. When you wrap your money, after wrapping the dollar bill, you take your plastic wrap, you put it around it, and then you tape. So you're going to tape the plastic wrap and not the dollar bill itself. And so this makes my job easier and makes the placement on the styrofoam faster and neater. You see, that's it. I'm going to show this step in like 5 to 6 different times so that you understand what I'm saying and what I'm trying to do. I know I did it more than 1, 3, 4 times, so I know that you understand it already. So this is me just showing you more videos on how to wrap it. My clients wanted a $10 bill and a $5 bill, so this is me wrapping the $5 bills. You can see that the tape is not stuck onto the money, it's on the plastic wrap. If you've gotten to this level with me or this stage with me, that means that you're already a pro at wrapping your money without the tape on the bill and tearing off your bill. I hope you like it. I hope you got it. If you learned a thing or two, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. Join the family. So let's go place the money on the styrofoam. You see what I'm saying? I taped the styrofoam before adding the dollar bills to it, and so the tape and the plastic wrap that I added to it will make my job easier. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for DIYs and how to make money. I'm an entrepreneur. I like to monetize everything I do, and also very compassionate. So follow me, guys. I love you all. Thank you. And don't forget to wait till the end of the video. You see, I'm using my scissors to hold down the dollar bill on the styrofoam while I've already taped the styrofoam. It's that easy, it's that simple. And if you do it, you can send me a picture of what you did, and let's grow together. Thank you. Bye bye.
Don't worry, don't worry.